Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, madam.
How are you?
Thank you, madam.
Let us sit down, sit down. I look on the blackboard. So today we want to learn about subtraction of length. Everybody say subtraction of length.
Subtraction of length.
Everybody?
Subtraction of length.
So yesterday we were looking at addition of length. Today is subtraction. So before we go to subtraction, we want to remind ourselves of what we were doing yesterday under addition of length. So example, we had meters here, centimeter. Can you give me any meters here? Any number? 2 meters. How many centimeters? Yes? 26. Very good. Another meters here? Girls? 9 meters. Any centimeter? 10 centimeters. Then you are told to add. That this is what you are doing yesterday. So when you are adding, you start from the centimeter side. So 6 plus 0, what do we get?
6.
6. 2 plus 1?
3.
That is 3. That is 36 centimeter. We are through with the centimeters. We want to add the meters. 2 meters plus 9 meters. What do we get?
11.
Very good. So this is 11 meters and 36 centimeters. So this is yesterday's work, how we were adding meters and centimeters. So we come to today's work. That is the subtraction of length in meters and centimeters. So I'll start by the first example. So we want to look at the first example here. So you are given a number like, maybe you write here meters and centimeter. You are given 20 centimeters here, meters. Then here we are having 65 centimeters. Then here you are given 15 meters. The other side you are given maybe 30 centimeters. Then you are asked to do what? To subtract. Subtraction is taking away. So what you are supposed to know here is that when you are subtracting, you start from which side? Are we going to subtract the centimeters first or the meters?
Centimeters.
Very good. All the time you start from the centimeters side. When you complete centimeters is when you come and subtract the meters. So we are going to start from the centimeter side. Here we are having 5 centimeters. Then we have 0 centimeters. When you subtract 0 from 5, 5 take away 0, what do you get?
5.
It is 5. When you subtract 6, take away 3, what do you get?
3.
That is 3. Then we come here. We are having 0 centimeters and here we are having 5 meters. What are we going to do here?
5.
Yes?
5.
You divide. What are you going to do here? Can we subtract 5 from 0? Is it possible? What are you going to do? Somebody to grab up his hand and tell me. Salman, what are we going to do? You carry or you borrow. You say you borrow 1 from 2. When you borrow 1 from 2, you remain with the 1. Then that 1, you bring it here to make it a 10. Then you say 10, take away 5. What do you get?
5.
It is 5. We remained with 1. 1 take away 1. It is 0. You can write a 0 or you just leave it like that. Then our answer is 5 meters and 35 centimeters. So I want one boy to come and do for us this one here. Having meters here and centimeters. Abdullah, come and try this one out. You are having 7 meters and 47 centimeters. You take away 4 meters and 35 centimeters. Let us check whether he has gotten it right. So we are having 47 centimeters. 7 take away 2, what do we get? He has written 5. 4 centimeters take away 3. So we have 15 centimeters. 7 meters take away 4 meters. 3 meters. So the answer is 3 meters and 15 centimeters. Can you clap for him? Now this one is for a girl. One girl to come. Swaiba. Very fast, very fast, very fast. Let us check whether she's gotten it right. Look on the blackboard, everybody. Here we are having 92 centimeters and 61 centimeters. 2 take away 1, what do we get? 9 take away 6. What do we get? It is 3. She has written 6. So here it is not 6. When you take away 6 from 9, you get 3. So you are supposed to write here 3. Then you have 9 meters, take away 5, what do you get? 4. 2 take away 1. So this is where she made the mistake. Clap for her for trying. Clap for her. So that is how we are going to do. Just know that when you are maybe subtracting length, you start from the centimeters, subtract from the centimeter, then you finish with the meters. Now write this example in your books, then I give you an exercise.